Hello, welcome back to Bridal Sewing Techniques. And today we're going to talk about how do you fix these beautiful lace straps that are just driving the bride crazy. That lace that's so pretty and has those botanical looking edges can get a little scratchy on the skin. So this is a common question that I have from brides. Is there any way that you can make this more comfortable? Well, there is, and it's not very difficult really. So I'm going to walk you through that today, how to do that, and I'm sure you will have a very happy bride. So here's an example of some straps, how they have the tulle backing, the lace on top, and here is some power mesh. It's very soft, silky soft, it's a knit, it's stretchy, it's cool to the touch. You're going to pick some that closely matches the skin tone of the bride, and then you're going to cut them into strips, just a little over 1 inch wide. You're going to fold that so that the fold is on the outside of the strap. And I'm just anchoring it with a couple pins to get started, and the rest of it I just kind of guide with my hand. But I use a free motion stitch, and I just kind of do a loop-de-loop all along the side, and that gives you that little soft bubble right on the very edge. You don't want to extend too far beyond the edge where it's too visible. I've got it tipped just a little bit so you can see it. You want it to be just under that lace where the lace doesn't touch the skin, but you don't have a lot of it sticking out. So you can see when I tip it back the other way, it's not very visible at all. And here you can see it again. And that little bubble of mesh is so much more comfortable. Here is the gown on the table, so you can see what the strip of mesh looks like. I run it along the whole inside of the strap, the whole arm's eye. And here it is on the bride. I've got it tipped out where you can see it. Again, I'm tipping the angle. So you can see worst case scenario, if it was to kind of peek out, it's very unnoticeable. People are not going to notice it. And here it is laying flush against her skin. I hope this has helped you. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments down below. I'd love to help you out in any way that I can. Also, if you have any video suggestions, I'd love to hear those. Also, please visit my website. There's lots more to learn on there. I've got the link down below to that as well. Hit subscribe, share with all your friends. I'd love to keep creating these for you and help you take your sewing to the next level. Have a great day.